A drone with 8K camera, obstacle avoidance, and a built-in screen controller? This might be one of the most powerful budget drones right now. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're checking out the V188 MAX Drone, a foldable quadcopter packed with triple cameras, brushless motors, and long-range control. First impression, this drone looks big and premium. Foldable design for easy carrying. Large 33-centimeter body for better stability. Cool RGB lighting for night flying. And yes, it looks awesome in the sky at night. One of the best features? 4.3-inch built-in screen controller. No need to use your phone. Just turn it on and fly. Perfect for beginners and super convenient. Now let's talk about the cameras. Up to 4K, 6K, 8K camera options. Dual plus bottom optical flow lens. 120-degree wide-angle view. EIS stabilization for smoother shots. You can shoot wide shots, vertical shots, downward shots. Great for social media and casual aerial videos. This drone is loaded with smart features. Obstacle avoidance system, optical flow positioning, Waypoint flight, draw your path, gesture photo and video, one key return. It even stops automatically when it detects obstacles. Super useful. With 1503 brushless motors, you get strong and smooth flight, less noise, better durability, up to 3,000 meters range, around 15 to 20 minutes flight time. Pretty impressive for this price range. Thanks to optical flow plus altitude hold, 6-axis gyro system. The drone stays stable, even if you're a beginner. So, is the V188 MAX worth it? Built-in screen controller, long range and solid flight, multiple camera angles, cool design with RGB lights. But 8K is not true professional quality. Wind resistance is average. Battery life could be better. Still, for a budget drone, this is a feature-packed option. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.